Video I'll be discussing about what is the execution evaluation cycle, which was invented by Norman model of interaction. So here actually he proposed 7 stages for executing any action into task. Okay, for that Norman model of interaction can be classified into two phases. In phase 1, user has to get ready with plan of action, and what are the codes we want to feed in system by user language to execute at the interface of computer. And then in phase 2, the system task, okay, it has to evaluate output of whatever user task, and this may be right action. Otherwise, further we want to fine tune the plan of action so that we can get right action for whatever user expected output. Okay, so for that these two phase further going with 7 stages, what is called establish the goal by user, and then he forming the whatever the intention purpose for which he want to do it, and then we want to specify to achieve particular task. He has to set what are the action of sequence the computer has to do. Then computer actually executes such actions to achieve the output, and meanwhile the task user may be perceive what is going in system by means of analyzing system states, and suppose anything wrong, the interpreter will take care system states that is interpretation. And finally we want to evaluate the user a set of a task action achieved goal or not. Okay, so this way we want to evaluate it. And for example, we want to switch on the light for some particular domain specific task. Okay, for example, a person reading a book. For that he needs some light. For that he switch on the light. So for that switch on light, the switch may be very near to that person, then he can use his hand to switch on it. Otherwise the switch may be far away from this person. In that case either he has to stand in and go turn on light switch. Otherwise he may ask somebody to switch on the light. Again, what happen here is the light may not very efficient to read the book. In that case, he has to do some more task by switch on main light kind of things. Okay, so with this I stop here. Thank you for watching.